Morning students. Now few sums based on scientific notation and significant figures. How to add or subtract and all. Number when written in the form n into 10 to power n or c into 10 to power n is known as scientific notation. This c would be between 1 to 10, but 10 is not included in it. Okay. In short, after decimal, if one digit is there, we can say that the number is in scientific notation. It may be like this: 6.022 into 10 to power 23. This is scientific notation. Or we can write 7.033 10 to power minus 5. This is number in scientific notation. So if this way the numbers are written, we call it as scientific notations. Clear? This example the first. At 0.000353, we have to convert it into scientific notation. How to convert? We need this decimal after 3. આ જોઈ છે આપણે. એવું એમ તો ન લખાય. કેટલા જમ્પ કરવા પડે? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will 10 raised to power minus 4. If you are jumping towards right side, negative will come. So answer will be 3.53 into 10 to power minus 4. Suppose the number is 2586.92. Write down it in scientific notation. We need decimal after 2. This way. અહીંયા જોઈ છે તમારે અહીંયા છે તો કેટલા જમ્પ કરવા પડે? 1, 2 and 3. So it would be 10 raised to power. So if we are moving this side for shifting the decimal, positive exponent will be there. If we are shifting right side to place the decimal at correct place, we have exponent in the negative term. Okay? Now, how to add two numbers in scientific notation? If somebody tell you to add 1.02 या 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 2 plus 1.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. How to add these two? Don't add like this. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 એટલે 2.5. ઉપરના પાવર એડ કરી દીધા એટલે -5. એમ નહીં થાય. Before adding two numbers, the exponent power must be same. આ -3 છે તો અહીંયા -3 જોવું જોઈએ. તો જ બે એડ થાય, બાકી એમને એડ ના થાય. આ બેને એડ કરી દીધા 2.5, આ બેને એડ કરી દીધા -5. એમ ન હોય. If you want to add two numbers, power must be same. Either we have to change this or we have to change this. Always change the larger number to the lower. -2 વધારે છે ને એને -3 માં ચેન્જ કરવાનું. કેવી રીતના? Suppose I want to write it as 10 to power minus 3. Where the decimal will shift? Shall I write 0.12 or I have to write 12? क्या लिखना पड़ेगा मुझे? What to write? 12. It's 12 into 10 to power minus 3. Power decrease किया, number increase होगा. Plus 1.3 into 10 to power minus 3. E as it is. હવે power same છે. હવે તમે આ બેને એડ કરી શકો. So answer will be 12 plus 1.3 into 10 to power minus 3. So answer will be 13.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Again, if you want to convert it into scientific notation, you have to shift this decimal this side. So answer will be 1.33 10 raised to power minus 4. This is the answer. Clear? So we should know how to convert a number into, -2 થઈ ગયો. नंबर વધારે હતું નાનું તો પાવર हो गया. So 10 to power minus 2. और आप कैसे कर सकते थे इसको? आने चेंज करूँ इन जगह आने चेंज करना पड़ेगा. आ एज इट इज રાખો. 1.2 10 raised to power minus 2 as it is. આને આપણે -2 બનાવી. આ 10 to power minus 2 રાખીએ. હવે આ શું થઈ જશે? 0.13. Now add it. So it will become 1.33 into 10 to power minus. Take -2 common. Add these two numbers. So same answer will be given. Either this or this. In short, you have to change in order to make the power 6. Otherwise, don't add directly. Same for subtraction. Suppose we want to subtract 1.35 into 10 raised to power 1 minus 1.35 10 to power minus 1. Don't tell me answer is 0. 1.5 minus 1.50. No. How to subtract? Before subtracting, power must be same. આ 1 છે ના માઇનસ 1 છે. ચેન્જ કરો. કોને ચેન્જ કરીએ? આને ચેન્જ કરો. 1 થી -1 બનાવીએ. 1 થી -1 બનાવવું છે. નંબર લાઈન ભણ્યા છો તમે. અહીંયા 0 હોય, આ સાઈડ 1 હોય તો આ સાઈડ -1. કેટલા ડિજિટ? 2 ડિજિટ કરવા છે. એટલે 2 ડિજિટ આમ શિફ્ટ થઈ જશે ડેસિમલ છે. 0.0135 into 10 to power minus 1. આ 2 ડિજિટ નથી તો 0 મૂકી દો. 1 અને 2 minus 1.35 10 to power minus 1. ક્લિયર? નહીં ગલત ક્યાં ને આમ શિફ્ટ થશે. આ સાઈડ શિફ્ટ 1.35 એટલે કેમ લખશો અને -1 કરવું છે ને 135.0. જો નંબર નાનું હોય અને મોટું કરવું હોય તો પાવર ઓછું થાય. 2 એક સાથે આ 1.35 કરતા 135 પાવર ઇઝ મોર, નંબર ઇઝ મોર, then power should be decreased. હવે સબટ્રેક્ટ કરી લો બેને. 10 to power minus 1 કોમન મૂકી લો. 135 minus 1.35, so answer would be 133.65 into 10 raised to power minus 1. This way we can subtract it. If you want to again write it in scientific notation, the number will be, we have to shift this decimal this side, so it is 1.3365 into 10 raised to power minus 1 है ना, क्या हो जाएगा 10 to power this way. Easily we can subtract the number from the given. Provided power must be same, then only you can subtract, otherwise not. In case of multiplication, what to do? Suppose we have two numbers, 1.5 into 10 to power minus 3 multiply by 1.6 into 10 to power minus 3 या minus 4. હવે કેમ મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય? બે નંબર્સ છે ને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી લેવાનું. 1.6 into 1.5 और पावर अब ऐड हो जाएगी. आप एक्सपोनेंट का 8-9 चैप्टर में 8-9 स्टैंडर्ड में भण્યા છો. If bases are same, they are in multiplication, the power will be added. So it would be 10 to power minus 3 minus 4. So answer would be, આનું જે મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન આવતું હોય લખી દેવાનું. 10 to power કેટલું થઈ જશે? minus 7. This is answer. Suppose we want to divide two numbers, जैसे 6.25 10 raised to power minus 8 divided by 1.25 into 10 to power plus 8. How to divide? Numbers divide કરી દો. 1.25 અને 6.25 જે આવતું હોય એ numbers જે હોય એને divide. Power શું થશે? If they are in division, then this power will move up with changing sign. So minus 8 and minus 8, 10 to power minus 16. So answer would be 6.25 divided by 1.25 into 10 raised to power minus 16. This way we can add the two numbers which are given in scientific notation. Okay? Now, significant figures. How to add two numbers? Addition, subtraction. How to add two numbers which are given in scientific notations. Yeah, which are given numbers, simply numbers. So we want to add 2.303 plus 0.5 plus 0.315 plus 25. इनको आपको ऐड करना है. सिंपल जैसे ऐड करते हुए वैसे कर लो. 5 plus 3 8, 1, 13 3 carry 1, 8 and 2. Now what is the correct answer? It's 28.318, correct only. But according to scientific way, according to IUPAC, we have to report our answer after decimal 0 digit, एक digit નો આવે. એ મને કેમ ખબર પડી? એડિશન માં જે નંબર્સ ને તમે એડિશન કરો છો, after decimal આમાં કેટલા ડિજિટ છે? 3. After decimal it has just one digit. After decimal it has 3 ડિજિટ્સ, આમાં તો આફ્ટર ડેસિમલ ડિજિટ જ નથી, તો જે મિનિમમ હોય એ હિસાબેથી તમારે આન્સરમાં બી લેવાનું. આન્સરમાં બી ડેસિમલ પછી ડિજિટ નો આવવું જોઈએ, એને આપણે રાઉન્ડ ઓફ કરવું પડે. हाउ टू राउंड इट ऑफ? 8, 1 और 3, इन तीनों को हटाना, ऐसे ही नहीं हटा देंगे. 8 is more than 5, so add 1 to it, it will become 2. 2 we want to drop, it is less than 5, it will be dropped as it is. 3, it is also less than 5, drop as it is. Answer will be 20. This is the correct answer, not 28.312. It will be rounded off to 28. Okay? You have to keep in mind while solving sums. Sums કરી ત્યારે બધું ભૂલાઈ જવાય. આન્સર શું લખો છો? 28.318. આપણને લાગે જેટલું વધારે ડિજિટ મૂકીએ એટલું સારું, but it is not so. Now, for subtraction also same. Suppose we want to subtract minus 1.5. Same जैसे subtraction करते हैं वैसे 3, 0, 8 and 0. Now, up to what digit we have to round it off? See, after decimal 3 digits in first number, after decimal 1 digit in second number. So our answer should be 1 digit after decimal. So we have to drop this 0 and 3. First we'll drop this 3 which is less than 5, drop it as it is. 0, it's nothing less than 5, drop it as it is. What will be the answer? 0.8. So while adding and subtracting, we have to see the least number of digit after the decimal point. For multiplication, we have to see least number of significant figure. For multiplication and division. We have to see least significant figures. कैसे? Suppose we want to multiply 0.2 into 1.25. 0.2 into 1.25. जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं वैसे कर दीजिए. 0 carry 1, 5, 2. Answer will be this. Now, this is how many significant figure this number have? 1. How many significant figure this number have? 3. So answer should have only one significant figure. तो इसको हमको यहाँ तक राउंड ऑफ करना है. कैसे करेंगे? तो 0 है, कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. 5 को कैसे राउंड ऑफ करोगे? If the dropped digit is, if you want to drop the digit that is 5, then we have to see the previous digit. If it is even, write down as it is. If it is odd, then you have to add 1. So it is even, so answer will be 0. This is the correct answer. While multiplying, we have to see the significant figure. इसमें कितने हैं? 1. इसमें कितने हैं? 3. हमारा जो आंसर है उसमें भी 1 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर आना चाहिए. 1 मतलब सिर्फ 2 आना चाहिए, पीछे के नंबर नहीं आना चाहिए. 0 को तो ड्रॉप कर दोगे, 5 को ड्रॉप करोगे. 5 को ड्रॉप करने के पहले प्रीवियस नंबर देखना है. इफ प्रीवियस नंबर इज इवन, राइट एज इट इज. सपोज ये ऑड होता, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज ऐसे होता 350. 5 को ड्रॉप करना है और 3 ऑड है, तो आपको एक ऐड करना पड़ेगा. तो आंसर क्या आता? 0.5. Here, this way we can multiply or divide the numbers that are in significant figures. One more for dimension analysis. Last. Dimension analysis theory we had done. It is used to convert one unit into another unit. Dimensional analysis. सपोज आपको पूछे कि कन्वर्ट्स, या इफ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट 40 seconds into years. 40 seconds into years. कैसे कन्वर्ट करें? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड नो द conversion factor. We know 60 second 1 minute or 60 minute 1 hour. 24 hours 1 day. डे तक ही रखो, चलो बहुत लंबा हो गया. Convert it into days. How to convert? First write the starting unit 40 second and then write the end unit days. बीच की मिडिल टर्म्स कैसे प्लेस करेंगे? फर्स्ट सेकंड कैंसिल हो जाना चाहिए, इस तरीके से प्लेस करना. 60 सेकेंड 1 मिनट, you can write like this 1 minute 60 second. You can also write like this 60 second upon 1 minute. આમ બી લખી શકાય. આમ કેમ ન લખ્યું? આવી રીતના લખો તો આ સેકન્ડ્સ કેન્સલ થાય. Don't require second, we require days. अब मिनट और आवर का 60 minute 1 hour, we'll write like this 1 hour 60 minute, so that this minute will be cancelled. We know 1 day 24 hour, so 1 day upon 24 hour, this hour will be cancelled. So what's the answer? 40 multiplied by, ऊपर तो सब 1 ही है, divided by 60, 60, 24. 60 into 60 into 24, answer will be in days. This way this mind can convert 1 unit into another. सब बहुत बार भूल जाते हैं. जैसे कन्वर्जन फैक्टर पता है, ऐसा दिया है कि 4.2 जूल इज 1 कैलोरी, ये दिया हुआ है. कैलोरी को जूल में, जूल को कैलोरी में कन्वर्ट करना होता है, ऐसे करना है. आपसे बोले कि 1000 जूल हाउ मेनी कैलोरीज, 1000 जूल को कैलोरी में चेंज करना है. स्टूडेंट में कन्फ्यूजन था, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4.2 था કે ડિવાઇડ બાય 4.2 થાય. એ કન્ફ્યુઝન દૂર કરવા માટે શું કરવાનું? એને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું. શેનાથી? જૂલ નીચે આવે એવી રીતના લખવાનું. એટલે 4.2 જૂલ નીચે આવવું જોઈએ, રિક્વાયર્ડ યુનિટ ઉપર આવે એટલે જૂલ જૂલ કેન્સલ થઈ જશે. આન્સર વુડ બી 1000 upon 4.2 कैलोरी. This type of technique is known as dimension analysis. जब आगे जाके बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स करने लगते हैं तो इसको भूल जाते हैं और फिर मिस्टेक करते हैं. चैप्टर का नाम है बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. जो भी कंसेप्ट उसमें सिखा रहे हैं उसको याद रखो, उसको प्रैक्टिस करो. पहलू चैप्टर नानू है बट प्रैक्टिस रिक्वायर्स मच मोर. सो कीप ऑन practicing the numericals and all so that you are able to understand everything. That will be beneficial in future in 11th standard and 12th standard for respective chapters. Okay.